Did you know that around 75% of people aren't getting enough essential nutrients in their daily diets? Yeah, it's pretty wild. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of superfoods. You know, those nutrient-packed powerhouses that can totally transform your health. We're talking about foods that not only taste great but also help keep your body in tip-top shape. So, let's explore why these foods are so important for maintaining a balanced and healthy diet. These 20 healthiest foods will transform your diet and boost your energy like never before. Spinach. Our first superfood is spinach. This leafy green is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and folate. Spinach supports eye health, boosts the immune system, and promotes bone health. Add spinach to your smoothies and salads, or sauté it with garlic for a nutritious side dish. Blueberries. Stock up on blueberries, the small but mighty fruits brimming with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Delicious and versatile, they can enhance a variety of dishes. They help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation and improve brain function. With their anti-inflammatory properties, blueberries not only support heart health but may also offer protection against certain cancers. Enjoy blueberries as a snack, in your morning cereal, or blended into a smoothie. Salmon. Salmon, a pink oily fish, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and brain-healthy compounds, making it a must-have in your regular diet. It's also one of the few foods that provide bone-building vitamin D. Want to look younger? Eating salmon twice a week can help you achieve a youthful appearance. Grill or bake salmon with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of herbs for a delicious and nutritious meal. Avocado. Avocado is another superfood you should incorporate into your diet. It's rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, fiber, and vitamins E, C, and B6. Avocados promote heart health, improve digestion, and provide a feeling of fullness. Next time you're hungry, opt for avocado toast instead of fast food for a nutritious and satisfying choice. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, probiotics, calcium, and B vitamins. It supports gut health, strengthens bones, and helps build muscle. Enjoy Greek yogurt with honey and nuts for breakfast, or use it as a base for smoothies and salad dressings. Broccoli. Broccoli, a close relative of cauliflower and cabbage, has gained recognition for its remarkable nutritional benefits. This green vegetable is packed with B vitamins, folic acid, iron, calcium, and numerous other essential nutrients. Consuming a handful of steamed broccoli daily can reduce the risk of heart problems, strengthen bones, and even alleviate age-related eye issues. Steam or roast broccoli as a side dish, or add it to your stir-fries and salads. Almonds. Almonds are a great source of healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamin E, and magnesium. They support heart health, help regulate blood sugar levels, and promote satiety. Snack on a handful of almonds. Add them to your yogurt or blend them into almond butter. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and potassium. Sweet potatoes, available in vibrant colors like purple, yellow, pink, and red, offer numerous health benefits. These root vegetables are a delicious ingredient for desserts and can be enjoyed daily to replenish your body with anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and even anti-cancer properties. Creamy in texture, sweet potatoes are also rich in beta-carotene, which enhances your body's ability to fight infections. Roast sweet potatoes with a sprinkle of cinnamon, mash them, or add them to your soups and stews. Quinoa. Quinoa has rightfully earned its superfood status, thanks to its impressive nutritional profile. Rich in both protein and fiber, it keeps you feeling full without compromising on health benefits. In fact, 1 cup of quinoa delivers twice the protein and 5 grams more fiber compared to a cup of rice. If you're searching for a healthier alternative to traditional grains, quinoa is the perfect choice. Use quinoa as a base for salads, add it to soups, or serve it as a side dish. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and nutrient-dense food. Eggs can be prepared in various ways and are packed with high-quality protein, good cholesterol, and omega-3s. The egg white is rich in protein, fats, and minerals, while the yolk is loaded with vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin. Including eggs in your diet a few times a week can aid in weight loss, boost brain health, and enhance overall performance. Enjoy eggs scrambled, poached, or boiled for a quick and nutritious meal. Kale. Kale is renowned for its impressive health benefits. This crinkly, dark leafy green is a staple in salads and curries, thanks to its rich content of vitamin B6, vitamin C, calcium, and copper. As a nutrition superstar, 1 cup of raw kale contains fewer than 35 calories and only 7 grams of carbs, making it an excellent choice for weight loss and diabetic-friendly diets. Add kale to your salads and smoothies, or sauté it with garlic for a healthy side dish. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are popular for good reason. Despite their small size, just 2 tablespoons provide around 5 grams of protein. High in antioxidants, adding a few teaspoons to your salad, yogurt, or smoothies can help delay signs of aging. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in calcium, making them a true superfood. Olives. Olives are a unique fruit renowned for their high content of beneficial fats. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and fiber, they rank among the healthiest foods globally. Regular consumption of olives can enhance bone mass, reduce cholesterol and blood pressure, and lower inflammation, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Nuts. Whether you're following a keto or paleo diet or simply seeking to enhance your meals, nuts are a fantastic choice. Walnuts, hazelnuts, and pecans are rich in healthy fats, low in carbs, and packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin E, selenium, and magnesium. Incorporate them into your diet by blending them into smoothies or sprinkling them over soups, curries, and other dishes. Enjoy the benefits of their antioxidants and their role in supporting weight loss and overall health. Garlic. Garlic enhances the flavor of any dish while offering numerous medicinal properties recognized throughout history. It's widely used to address health conditions like coronary heart disease, hypertension, and cancer prevention. A diet rich in green vegetables and garlic significantly reduces the risk of osteoarthritis and other age-related bone issues. When added to food, garlic helps create an environment that hinders bacterial growth. Add garlic to your cooking, make garlic-infused oil, or take garlic supplements. Berries. Berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They improve heart health, boost the immune system, and support skin health. Enjoy a mix of berries as a snack, add them to your yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. Beans. Beans are a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, celebrated for their rich content of magnesium, iron, and potassium. Ideal for managing diabetes, supporting heart health, and maintaining a healthy weight, beans offer numerous benefits. Black and pinto beans, widely available, are packed with plant-based protein that supports bodily repair and maintenance. High in fiber, they promote heart health and help prevent fatty liver disease. Next time you're planning lunch, consider a refreshing bean salad to reap these health benefits. Cucumbers. Cucumbers, composed of 96% water, are perfect for detoxification and combating dehydration. Their high content of phytonutrients and vitamin K makes them a valuable addition to your diet. Adding a few slices to your water not only replenishes electrolytes but also helps regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Furthermore, cucumbers contribute to better skin health, reducing inflammation and diminishing tanning. Enjoy cucumbers as a refreshing way to support overall wellness. Watermelon. Watermelon and hydration are a perfect match, with this fruit boasting an impressive 92% water content. It's not just about staying hydrated. Watermelon is also rich in vitamin C, which combats free radicals and offers cancer-fighting properties. Additionally, its heart-healthy nutrients contribute to overall cardiovascular wellness. Regular consumption of watermelon may even help slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Enjoy this juicy fruit as a refreshing and health-boosting addition to your diet. Olive oil. Olive oil offers more than just a flavorful addition to your cooking. It's a powerhouse for overall health. Beyond its culinary uses, olive oil is known for promoting hair growth and keeping skin rejuvenated. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, it shields the body from oxidative damage and supports heart health. With its high content of oleic acid, about 70%, regular consumption of olive oil can help alleviate arthritis symptoms, prevent gum disease, and enhance eye health, all while contributing to your overall well-being. Now, let's highlight the top 3 superfoods from our list. First up, salmon. Its omega-3 fatty acids are unbeatable for heart health and brain function. Next is spinach. It's like a nutrient bomb that supports everything from your bones to your skin. And lastly, we can't leave out blueberries. These little guys are not just delicious, They're fantastic for your brain health and reducing inflammation. These 3 truly stand out among the rest, and making them part of your daily diet could be a game changer. We've covered 20 amazing foods that you should definitely include in your diet every day. From leafy greens to fatty fish, these foods are not just healthy, they're also super easy to add to your meals. Remember, making small changes can lead to big improvements in your health. What are your favorite superfoods? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.